Hello everyone. I would like to talk about sending Ethereum from one wallet to another, and I will also try to explain how to open a Ethereum wallet. The easiest way sending an Ethereum from one wallet to another is just using the exchanges. And if you don't have an account in exchange, I'm putting some referral links under my videos in the explanation part. If you use those links, for example Binance, it will directly send you to a create a free account pages, and there is a referral ID, and if you use this referral ID you will get your commission kickback at the 10%. So when you buy or sell a coin, you will get your commission, you will get 10% of commission back. So I really suggest you to use my links here. If you want to open an account in Bittrex, you may use this one, and if you'd like to open an account in Binance, you may use this link. I'm trying to put all the links in the explanation part. So the easiest way, as I said, just to open an account in an exchange and sending from exchange to another wallet. So let's look at this. I am in the Binance. If you go to wallet part, there's a fiat and spot, so you may see deposit and withdraw section. All right, I will just enter just to stop the video because my mobile phone is not close to me, so I will stop and come back. As I said, when you go to fiat and spot part in the wallet, you may see a search coin section here, and if you write Ethereum, for example, you have Ethereum coin, and there is deposit and withdraw. If you send an Ethereum to Binance account, you have to use deposit. If you are sending from Binance to another Ethereum wallet, you have to use withdraw. I'm clicking on the deposit part. So here is my address, Ethereum address. It starts with 0x, so it continues with lots of numbers and characters. This is your Ethereum address. It's ERC20 address. I have to warn you that in Binance, there are some other networks. You may see BEP2 and BEP20-BSC. So you have to be careful about those addresses. For example, if I'm trying to send an Ethereum from Bittrex to Binance, I'm just going to Bittrex right now. When you click on the holdings part, okay, you have also search Ethereum. Here is the Ethereum. Let's say I don't have any money in this exchange, but I will try to show you how to withdraw the money. If I click withdraw part, it says that you have to enter the recipient's wallet address. Okay, so I'm going to Binance, copy this, or copy like this, and then put the addresses here. And let's say I have one Ethereum here. I want to send 0.1. So when I put the value and address, I will withdraw my Ethereum from Bittrex to Binance. But you have to be careful. There is other networks here you may see, like this one and this one. If you try to use those addresses, it will not work from other wallets, from other exchanges. So those networks, this one and this one, are only valid for Binance and the wallets that supports this network. The exact network of Ethereum is this one. So most of the exchanges support this one. Most of the wallets support this one. So you have to use these addresses. You have to be careful about this one. So if you go to Ethereum.org, this is the project web page of Ethereum, you may find a lot of wallets which works under Ethereum network. There are many physical ones, like I will show some of them. Trezor, this is the hardware wallet. It's one of the oldest wallet. There are some other Ledger, like this is also a hardware wallet. But there are also some application wallets. You may install your Android mobile phones or iOS mobile phones. For example, Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a now product of Binance. Binance bought this one. So you may also send from Trust Wallet to Binance using those networks. But I will try to show you another wallet. I'm using My Ethereum Wallet, this one. And if you go to myethereumwallet.com, you may see a create a new wallet section. You may use this internet wallet also. I'm using this one very often. So if you want to create a new wallet, you will click this one. And it says you may use My Wallet. It's an application. So you may go to Google Play or App Store and you may download your mobile phones. Or you may create by key store file. As you have seen, it's not recommended. Why it's not recommended? It's because of it connects to internet and you are sending some little or lots of money. So when you use internet connection, there is a possibility that hackers can steal your money. So you have to be careful about this one. But I'm using for small amount of money, and there is also another section that you may use your My Ethereum wallet offline. I really suggest to use this one if you have lots of money or if you are not aware of your computer protection, for example. But in any case, I'm just using this one. So it says me that you have to write at least 9 characters password. So I'm just creating a password right now. And okay, it says that don't lose it, don't share it, and make a backup. And you have to also write in a paper what kind of password you gave. So you have to write in a paper. If you lose your password, you may not reach your money. It's very crucial, so you have to be careful about this one also. Okay, download key store file. I'm just downloading into my computer right now. And let's say here, documents. Okay. So I've created a wallet and now I can access my wallet. How do you access your wallet? You are going to myethereumwallet.com again. And you have seen that there is a section access my wallet. Access now. Since I have used a key store file. I will click this section and key store file and select the file which starts with UTS and it ends with this one. So I just click this and give the password when I was created. It tries to reach my wallet and it reached. This is your address and you have 0 balance right now, as you have seen. And if you have some tokens related with your new wallet, as you may see some of the tokens already created. When you create an Ethereum address, for example, this token gave you 10 IO to your related with your address. You have 10 IO right now. You have 0 balance, so you may use this wallet just to store your money right now, or getting money from another person, or sending money from this wallet. So I will also stop video right now and I will just show you how I will use a real wallet to show you sending from my Ethereum to Binance, for example. I have opened my Ethereum wallet address. I have 0.29 etc. So I have lots of tokens here, as you may see. There are many tokens. So I will show you how I will send my money from my computer to Binance exchange. Since I have an account in Binance, I have this address in Binance, so I will use this one to send. So I'm going to wallet. There is a send button or send transaction here, or you may use here. If you click this one, you have to put your how much money you would like to send. You may put this information here. Is there a maximum, something like that? I'm just trying to all my total. Okay, let's say 0.2950 like this. Okay, why it says that you don't have enough money? Because if you put this money, you have also some transaction fee. You have to pay from your balance to send money from one wallet to another. So transaction fee is approximately 0.001008 for the moment. So it says you don't have enough money to send this kind of amount Ethereum. So how do you decide the transaction fee? My Ethereum Wallet suggests you, if you use this 48 GVE for the moment, you are probably sending your money in a 1 to 2 minutes. How to decide this fee? You may look at Etherscan.io here. Etherscan.io is one of the tracker of Ethereum, the network tracker. There is a gas tracker section you may see here. If you use 50 GVE, it means $1.35, and it will send your money approximately in 12 minutes. If you increase the GWE, I mean the commission fee of transportation, you are probably sent in 4 minutes. If you use a high section, I mean if you use 73 GWE, it will cost you $2. It will probably send less than a minute. So you may decide how much GWE you will use in your transaction. If you want to change this one, you will click the edit and the transaction speed part. You may increase or decrease the commission fee. I will try to show you. If I decrease this one to 40, let's say 42, okay, and I will click the save button, close this one. So I will accept to use 42 GWE. It will cost approximately $1.18 for me. So I have to change this one a bit like this. Okay. So this one plus the commission fee, it should not pass your balance. So where I'm sending my money, I will copy this one and paste here. This is my address in the Binance exchange. So I'm saying that send right now, send transaction. Okay. It warns me that your gas price is low, which may cause a delayed or dropped transaction. This means that according to network situation, you are giving very low GWE for transportation, so you will wait lots of minutes. Even you may drop your transaction. I mean, you may wait more than 1 day, and then it may drop, network may drop your transaction. So you have to be careful about the GWE, I mean gas price that you are using in your transaction. If you are sending from one exchange to another, you don't care about the price. But if you are using your own wallet, you have to look at this one and decide the fee, the GWE fee, the gas tracker fee for sending. So I will confirm and send, and my transaction desires sent to network. Since Ethereum network is highly depends on the mining devices, some of the mining machines, some of the mining pools will take my transaction, will accept, and will send my transaction. So if you look at the status of your transaction, you may also go one of the Ether Explorer website. I will use Etherscan.io again. You may also use other ones, for example at ATHVM. If you click this one, so as you have seen, this is my transaction. So it starts approximately 1 minute ago, and the estimated confirmation duration, as you have seen, 47 minutes, but I guess that it will be much more, it will pass 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe 1 a day, because I have used small amount of gas price. So I will wait. One of the mining pools will accept my transaction. So after it has mined my transaction, I will see in the wallet that this transaction was occurred and successfully sent to my wallet in the Binance. This is how to open a Ethereum wallet, how to use My Ethereum wallet to send from your computer file to another Ethereum wallet address, and you may also use your Binance, Bittrex or some other exchanges in order to send your Ethereum or other coins. So you have to be careful about the coins that you are using. I have just shown you the sending Ethereum from one wallet to another. So I will wait in order to be mined my transaction. After this, you may use your money in the wherever you are sending. So this is all for now. See you on the next video. Bye.